All right. Welcome back, everyone. It's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to our weekly Forex Outlook. This is for the week of November 1st to the 5th, 2021, November 21. Trading with our website, tweforexsystem.com, our multiple time frame system. So welcome to another week, guys. This is once again, this is for the week of November 1st to the 5th, trading our weekly Forex Outlook. So let me show you what the market is gonna be performing this coming week. Guys, I did pay attention the video that I gave you guys last week. I think 2 of the 5 pairs that I gave you went against our analysis, was still then pretty good. But now we're officially in the month of November, so November is a new month. So let's see what the market has to do this week. So let's go ahead and start with AUD USD. What I'm seeing here, guys, is the following. Pay close attention. Everything's still bullish at this time, don't get me wrong. Look at here, we got 4 hours, we got our weekly, we got our multiple time frame in here. So what I'm expecting to see this coming week, guys, the week of November 1st to the 5th, if the market still has potential to come back and retest your 23.6, there's previous multiple time frame in this area here, then the market is gonna do a small retracement, coming back, making this sell position stronger, because I believe the market will be selling this week. Pay close attention. Let me delete everything so you can see it. What I'm seeing here, guys, is the following. I'm seeing a shoulder, I'm seeing a head, and I'm looking for another shoulder to create it. And guess what? Boom! Market will be selling as what I'm telling you right now. All right. So let me know in the comment below, guys. If you do have any question, I'm here for you anyway. I was out last week, guys. I was enjoying my vacation, and I had a kind of like a bad experience. I did a Scooby-Doo. That's how they called it in Dominican Republic, and my ears blowed out, guys. That was crazy. I was like, hell no, I'm not doing this anymore. And I still have water on my ear, and it hurts like crazy. But I'm here doing this session for you because I do care for the community. I want you guys to make money. But let me know in the comment below if you do have any question. And remember one thing, guys, is very important for you as well, is I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader. Please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky, and you can also win huge, but you must learn how to trade. If you need help, please let me know. The link of our website is on the description of this video. If you want to join us, you are more than welcome to do so. You can get access to our 30 days trial, which is our gold membership on our YouTube. The link is on the description. Or if you want to grab our multiple time frame, you also are more than welcome to do so. All right, fair enough. So let's move on to the next pair of the week. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is USD Canadian. What is USD Canadian doing? This is another great one, guys. USD Canadian is looking to be in a right now, to be honest. Pay close attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is very clear, telling you the market is in a sell position. If you pay attention here, let me draw it. Look at here, multiple time frame is here. Look at here, sell, 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 and here's multiple time frame once again. Here's multiple time frame, right arrow again. So market here still selling, guys. There's no other way around, still selling. So what I'm seeing here is the market still has potential to come back and retest this low here, previous green multiple time frame area here. That's what I draw this line here as well. And then from there, market will continue as a buy position, because we are getting ready, to be honest. The market is getting ready here for a buy position. Multiple time frame is here. Our Y multiple time frame arrow is also right on it. Our green arrow is right on it. So everything is firming, is telling us, hey, we are coming for the month of November to be in a what? In a buy position. Then yes, market will be coming up, coming retesting previous multiple time frame here. Then we'll do a small retracement. Then overall, yes, the market will be in a buy position. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? Do you have any question? Please don't be shy, guys. You are more than welcome to ask questions. So I do this for you guys, even though my ear is killing me, guys. It's killing me because a lot of water went into it. But hey, my goal is we are over here on what? On fire, guys. Irvin is on fire. You better believe that, guys. That's what I'm doing here anyway for you. All right, so if you have any question, please feel free to put it on the chat room. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys, it is Euro GBP. Pay close attention. Euro GBP is another baby getting ready for a buy position. So it's getting ready, guys. It's not fully there yet. Why it's not there? Let's break it down so you can understand how multiple time frame works. So multiple time frame is letting us know here the market it is selling. Our TW sniper entries also confirming that yes, market is clearly selling at this time. Look at this one, boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Let me draw this box here so you can see. Boom, 4 hour, boom, multiple time frame. So yes, so overall, market still selling at this real time. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is our system is letting us know here, hey, I'm getting ready for that retracement because this buy position here, it will be a pullback. It's not a long-term buy position unless if we do see this month of November, we are gonna be looking for a multiple TWE sniper entry confirming. If it does, then we have changed a trend. But right now, all I can say is the market still gonna come back and retest this previous green and red arrow here, which is your 23.6 Fibonacci line to your 38. Then the market will do a small retracement, then we'll continue as a buy position. Because overall, I'm looking here, guys, to be honest, I'm looking for that buy position to be fully firm. Please, guys, do me a favor, do not trade on today is what, Sunday? Please don't trade today, guys. The market will be open today at 5 p.m. Eastern time. The market, Sunday is a trap day. The market will eat you alive. So always do business between Monday and Friday. And usually Friday, try not to trade after 12 p.m. because the market starts slowing down. Try to trade in the morning if you want to, but that will be the best thing. That's what I usually do. But I stopped taking my trades out after 12 p.m. All right, so the next pair, guys, that I have for you guys is gold. I didn't give you gold last week. I wish I would have told you the gold was very nice bearish position, because I gave it to somebody else, guys, and I told them the market was gonna be in a sell position. Then I went on vacation, and boom, market worked out so damn freaking perfect, guys. Oh my God. But what is the market doing on gold, guys? Remember, multiple time frame is in a buy position. TWE is in a buy position. But real time gold, it is doing a pullback. So pullback still active at this real time, saying okay, we are selling. So what I'm seeing here is the market is gonna make a small retracement, retesting your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. There is previous era of support and resistance here. Yes, the market has potential to come back and retest those levels. Then from there, market will be continuing on that sell position, and we are gonna be on what? All right, so yeah, that is true, guys. So we are here trading multiple time frame, and everything is on fire. All right, so any question, guys? Any question? Please, guys, once again, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. If you need help, please let me know. I will be more than happy to help you out, but you must ask, because I don't know what is in your mind. If you want to grab our system, the link is on the description of this video. So you are more than welcome to come and join us, become a member, and do me one damn thing, guys, because I'm here with water on my ears, and I'm still making that video for you. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and subscribe so you can keep me motivated and we can make more videos. But we are gonna be meeting this Tuesday, guys, and we also gonna be meeting on Wednesday. So come on, let me know if you guys have any question. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the day. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is USD JPY. All right, so USD JPY, guys, officially it is in a sell position at this real time. So pay close attention, guys. The system is letting you know it's time to make money on USD JPY, guys. This is what I'm seeing here. Multiple time frame is in a sell position. Y multiple time frame is also in a sell position. TW sniper entry is also in a sell position. But if everything is in a sell, what in the hell is this buy position doing here? What do you guys think it's doing? What do you guys think it's doing? Hey, make sure you comment, guys. What do you guys think this buy position represents? Well, let me go ahead and type it for you. This is a pullback. So pullback is active at this real time. So what's my understanding for the remaining of this pullback? So what I'm seeing here is the market, yes, it still has potential to come back and retest this previous retracement here. Support and resistance, support and resistance. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Boom. It's gonna come back. So overall, we're looking for what? We're looking for sell position. So look at here, guys. This is another tip that I can give you here. This red arrow here tried to close on Friday, but it fell. So it's still open. The market still, like I said, still gonna go up. I'm looking for this arrow to be fully formed, very solid. Once it's there, maybe we're gonna wait 1 or 2 or 3 dots in there already with the red arrow. Let me make a circle here so you can understand it better. Oops. Let me grab the right tool. There you go. Let's pretend that this is the red arrow, right? Then from there, officially, I'm gonna go with the trend and a sell position, because what I'm seeing here, the USD JPY will be in a very sexy sell position, coming lower, coming and retesting your 23 Fibonacci line, which is previous multiple time frame arrow here. Then market will do a small retracement. By then it's gonna be Friday, guys, and the week is over. So this is, remember, what I like to do here best, guys, is only one thing. I like to give you data that does not exist. Data that does not exist. A lot of people charge for what I'm giving you guys. I'm giving you all this data. We watered on my ears. And you know, when I talk, I hear that echo. Like the ocean. Guys, I got so freaked out. I was so deep in the water. I got so freaked out, and I told the guy, it's taking me out. And from there, I got into a panic mode. But hey, I'm alive, so. All right, guys, so let me know in the comment below if anyone has any question. Today, what we are doing, it is our weekly Forex Outlook for the week of November 1st to the 5th, 2021, trading our multiple time frame. Our website, it is the following: TWEForexSystem.com. So let's get those over 178 blue pips, which is a lot of money on it. All right, guys, so once again, guys, thank you so much for being here. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America, and God bless your family and the world as well. So I will see you guys on Tuesday. So hasta la vista, baby. Take care, guys. Peace out.